don't go breaking my robot in those vaults. I don't care so much about the yapping ghost, but that robot cost me a fortune. So I was just trying to protect that robot by hiding it somewhere cold, and what will I get for my troubles? A bunch of whiny ghost yip-yap. Why's that ghost complaining about the cold anyway? He doesn't even feel the cold. Nah, don't go breaking my robot in those vaults.
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
All charged up. Power is scary.
Next up, the secret Archean Vault of Secrets. You ready for all these secrets?
Okay, just hop in the giant robot and I'll set you down.
So here we are, the secret Archean Vault of Secrets. Hey, how can it be a secret if we... Oh, never mind. The actual vault itself is at the other end of the canyon, and is completely underwater. I guess underwater secret vaults were all the rage 10,000 years ago. Anyway, the only way we're going to be able to get in there is if we can lower the water level. Hey, looks like something triggered the automated defense systems here. Don't let these guys shoot us. Shoot them instead. Use the attack button. Want to see something cool? Press the secondary attack button. Yeah, that is one powerful punch. Wipe out all these guys. You just punched a generator. Punching a generator gives us extra shockwave power. Now if you want to see something really cool, press the action button. There. We just caused a major shockwave, and each one of those enemies is sure sorry we did. Excellent. Shoot all the copters. Here's the first generator. All you need to do is route power to the dam. Once that happens, you can open the dam from the other side. I'll meet you over there.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger, Archean bomber.
You call that a challenge?
Way to go. Power has been restored.
California! I fear nothing. I fear nothing. Take flight. Leading the charge.
Looks like you'll need to complete a lock puzzle to turn on the power. Who would build something like that? Nice go. We sure made a good team. Now hop on and let's find the next band. Somehow, I've got a feeling that things are about to get a little tougher. These copters are a pain. That's a generator. Punch it. Ouch. Fantastic. Uh-oh. Shooting this guy is not going to get us anywhere. You'll need to throw those big punches when he's vulnerable. Be sure to wait until he's vulnerable before punching. Punch it. Take him out. Now. And down goes the other robot. All right. Way to go. About using my punch attack. shoot these generators, punch them. Excellent. Okay, here we are, dam number 2. And it looks like it also needs power. Activate the generator, then get to the control panel to open the dam. I'll meet you on the other side.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. It was Ankh Beekman who first wrote, "The eyes are the window to the mouth."
challenge? Ah!
You did it. Now there's nothing stopping us from getting to the wall. Except, probably, a bunch more of those arcane security droids. Punching the generator gives us extra shockwave power. Shoot them all down. That guy's swinging around for another pass. Take him out. Ouch! Hey, it's another one of those big robots. Guess he doesn't know who he's messing with, huh? Punch him. Take him out. Now. That. Punch him. Take him out. Now. Boom. You mess with the best, you go down like the rest. Shoot all the copters. Ouch. Fantastic. These copters are a pain. Shoot them all down. There it is. The not-so-secret Archean Vault of Secrets. You'll need to restore power before we can open it. Good thing you know just how to do that. After that, you'll need to make your way to each ring's control panel to unlock them.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Yes, yes, it was wise to seek me out. You could probably use some gear. What looks good to you today?
Jackpot!
Roastin' toast.
Bolts and lightning. Dare to try again?
You did it! I can't believe it. Well, actually, I can. It's just an expression. Now, I'll open this up, and the map to Arcus should be right inside.
Well, look who managed to beat me to the vault. It's a stupid Skylander. It is stupider robot. I'd love to stay and chat, but I'm afraid I have a map to steal. To the lost city of Arcus, and it's mine. Look, Glumshanks, the map. It senses my awesome presence and is revealing its secrets. Soon the Iron Fist of Arcus will be mine, and I will be the ruler of all Skylands. Robot! What have you done?
Clearly, Globstinks is to blame.
Wait, what?
Ah! It was right there! The hidden location of the city of Arcus. Glumshanks, didn't you see it?
Yeah, but only for a second. I can't remember.
Silence! Wait. Actually, you can remember. And with my help, you will remember. Robot, take me home!
Those rocks hurt a lot more than it might have looked. Don't think I'm going to make it. But I was able to hear that ugly guy inside the vault. He found the map, but destroyed it. Then he said something about day, home. That's all I can remember. Goodbye, Skylander. Congratulations on almost stopping chaos. Now, goodbye.
Wonder what Chaos meant when he said he was returning home. He already destroyed his flying fortress.
Yeah, I distinctly remember saying boom in a very literal way when we did.
Probably just means the home he grew up in. You know, way out in the east and west section of Skylands.
Well, it's worth a shot. We have no other leads. Flynn?
Yeah, I'm with you, Callie. I'll just set course for the eastern... western... You're gonna have to explain that one to me a little better.